Let's talk about the restoration of the earth. Because the earth is going to be destroyed, folks, at the end of the millennium. I mean, at the end of this 7-year tribulation period, at the time of the second coming. We're told in Isaiah 51, lift your eyes to the heavens and look to the earth beneath, for the heavens will vanish away like smoke, the earth will grow old like a garment. Another one from 2 Peter along these lines, proof text. But the day of the Lord will come as a thief in the night, in which the heavens will pass away with a great noise, and the elements will melt with fervent heat. Both the earth and the works that are in them will be burned up. So it'll be like an old garment. It'll be burned up with fervent heat, and the works within it will be burned up. I read about this in the MILLENNIUM Prophecies, how this happens. Here's a quote from the book. The 7 seal, 7 trumpet, and 7 bowl judgments in the book of Revelation devastate the planet. Rivers, streams, and oceans are turned into blood in Revelation 8 through 11, and 16, 3 through 4. Scorching heat and global wildfires destroy much of the world's vegetation, as per Revelation 8, 7, and Revelation 16, 8 through 9. Topping it off, a great earthquake shakes the earth, and 100-pound hailstones pummel the planet in Revelation 16, verses 17 through 21. And folks, it says, these two events cause every island to disappear and mountains to no longer be found. Now, are we talking, what mountains? Are we talking about the Himalayas, the Alps, the Rockies, all of the above? It says mountains are no longer found. So folks, the planet is going to be destroyed. It's going to melt with fervent heat as a result of the tribulation period. It's got to be restored for millennial life. The good news is it will be restored. We've got several verses that point that out to us. Now we're talking about a restored earth. Remember, the earth hasn't disappeared. It's just become like an old garment, and it's burned with fervent heat. So it has to be restored. Nevertheless, we, according to his promise, look for a new heavens and a new earth in which righteousness dwells, 2 Peter 3:13. And for behold, I create new heavens and a new earth, and the former shall not be remembered or come to mind, Isaiah 65:17. So that's the great news. God is going to restore the planet after the devastation of the tribulation periods.